This is the Vortex HD62, looks like this. And what happens when you need to factory reset it and you don't need to use the buttons? Either your phone is fully functional and there's no errors and you know your password and your fingers have the right moisture to unlock the device. All right, there we go. So if you need to hard reset or factory reset your device because you're ready to recycle it, pass it on to someone else, turn it back into your employer, this is how we factory reset the Vortex HD62. So we need to get to settings. There's two ways to get to settings. Go up here with the battery symbol, and we're going to swipe down twice, and it brings up that gear. Okay, if you don't like that way, we can swipe up to bring up all of our apps, and then in alphabetical order, S for settings should be right there. So let's go to settings. So settings will show up like this, and then you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and we want system. So touch system. At the very bottom of system, look for reset options right there. And to factory reset it, we want to erase all data. So we're going to touch that. Now remember, before you push erase all data, that if you have put your Google or Gmail information, login and password, you will need your Google, Gmail, and login and password to get back into your phone after you erase all data. This will erase everything, your Google account, but it will still make you, if you've put on Find My Device or put on any of the protective services inside, you will need your Google account again. And then we'll go ahead to finish it up and we'll push erase all data, and then it asks you to confirm one more time. Everything is going to be erased. All of your personal information, downloaded apps will be deleted. You can't undo this action. So we'll push that. And now, depending on your phone, whether you've used it a ton and there's tons of information, it could take several minutes for it to advance. But as is right now, it will still take several minutes for the phone to get all the way back to the welcome screen. If this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.